Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is Project Escape. Well, this is the final drive home for the 03 Escape. The subframe is shot, so it didn't pass the safety inspection. The wife and I were looking for another one, and we found a 06 hybrid. In decent shape. It's got 240,000 miles on it, but you know, what are you going to do? I don't have to do anything to it, just drive it. So for you that don't know what a hybrid is, it has a small gas engine that runs the vehicle after it reaches 35 miles an hour. Under that, it drives on electric motors by a big battery. So that's going to be my new project. And sometime, come summertime, I'll go ahead and put a new subframe in this. So right now, that's the only problem with this, is that as far as cosmetics concerned, my rear doors don't open on this. And the rear hatch, lower part of the door is rusted out. All the fenders around the outside are rusted out. But it runs decent. And it's gotten us through 11 years. So we'll see how long this hybrid gets us through. I'm going to be running probably, it's 1.5 miles, so 1.5 miles at highway speed on the motor, and then the rest of the time it's going to be running on the battery. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, especially if you drive a hybrid Escape. And we'll catch you on the next Project Escape.